When Taguig Representative Alan Peter Cayetano marked his 50th birthday, his wife, Taguig Representative Lani Cayetano, did not hold back on expressing her affection. She shared on her Facebook page some of their sweetest photos as a couple. According to Lani, her husband has a big heart for their family. Alan had wished to mark his 50th birthday as Speaker, but events in the House of Representatives did not make this possible. 2 weeks before his birthday, Alan was ousted as House Leader. Lani tells Alan,
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.